Here's a YouTube source formula in RightBoost Bulk Creator tagged with Sniply. Of course, we have the competitor Rightly. So what I'll do is have my Rightly, one of my Rightly ads I've got on that for the short link generation. I've got an append like this, Rightly cheaper than Sniply, and then I get latest videos tagged with Sniply, and let's just look at enhancing a couple of these. And I've got an image preview and then my links. We'll do this. Share the video embedded in a page, my ad right on top. Hope that helps.